You join me on a morning. It is 40 degrees and exchanging of services is happening. So this is my closed hood Ford panel gap. So that is going to be mended and I will cut you over to that job.
So it was my original thought that this latch here, the catch, was larger than the old one, but as we can see, this is 3 inches, and the one on the original hood is also 3 inches. So that hypothesis goes out the window. So we're going to have to figure out this latch. So we are going to remove the latch mechanism and modify it so that we can drop it slightly to make the hood gap less noticeable. To remove the latch, you're going to need your 1/4 inch drive ratchet and I believe an 11 mil socket. Now we have removed the latch. Let's go mark these so we don't completely mess this thing up, and let's drill these holes out so we can slide it down. So my original plan was to use that press there to drill it, but I don't think I can do that because of how it's designed. So I'm going to file it instead. That interior better be clean. It doesn't look very nice, but we'll see if it works. Make sure when you put this in that you actually attach all the cables, because if you don't, you will have a very bad day. You just want to put all the cables in place and then stick them together. And the connection. And let's see how the hood gap looks. As we can see, the hood gap is slightly less, so we're going to try moving the mounts down and seeing what that does. I have yet again had to modify the hood latch, but it should work this time. And this is looking actually much better now. I think I could drop it a little bit more, so let's do the final adjustments. Well, it seems to be about as good as it's going to get. Much better than it was. I cannot fit my hand in here anymore. Now, that may not be the most kosher way to do that. But we just have a look at the mileage on the car. 281,000. I think that's an okay fix for that.
Shout out to Automotive Madness for helping out with that. I am doing by cleaning out this interior. Yes, that looks better. Anyway, so don't forget to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe. Cleaning out his 300,000 mile Solstice here. It kind of looks like a car again, so that's good. Yeah, give Automotive Madness a subscribe, and don't forget to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe here. This is $2 Garage. Have a nice day.